one of the game changer word in pattern interrupt. Whenever you are stuck in any sales conversation, whether you are talking to Narendra Modi or you're selling to the Donald Trump, I don't care. This strategy works. But you need to have, again, it will not work if you don't have guts, if you don't have the authority figure in your mind. Even, see, if you're not making that money, you so like that you're making, you have to talk, act, and behave like a millionaire. That's it.
Right.
It should show that you are a confident guy, and confidence only come when you practice what I told you, authority figure. Okay. So when you are in a conversation and you prospect is asking you a lot of questions, he's like bombarding you. Okay. And you are like stuck what to do. Ask me any question. I will handle it. And then, or you like to handle, or I want to handle. What do you want? You want to practice?
No, no, you'll handle. I'm
You will
getting the.
prospect?
Yeah, I'll be the prospect.
You're the prospect. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
I want to learn. That's right.
sorry,
I said
what are
I
you
want to
saying?
learn. So I said I want to learn.
Okay.
So you are the right guy.
Yeah,
You are the
smart
boss.
guy, smart guy. Okay. So let's say I am selling you. What do you want me to sell?
Mm, insurance.
Insurance, life insurance.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So let's say I am calling you, and I got your reference again with some other friend and all, and then we are talking about. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. Perfectly fine.
Yeah. Is that Amit?
Yeah, yeah. Amit was calling.
Yeah, Amit. My name is Ravi. Amit, Samir Kala referred me, and I have been working with this guy more than 10 years, and I have been helping him to protect his family and financial planning. So, would you be interested to know how can I help you to grow your personal finance and secure your family?
Yeah, okay. I will definitely want to know.
Sorry, can you come again?
Yeah, I will definitely want to know.
Okay. So, would you mind if I can ask you a few questions connected to the discussion, and then you can ask few questions to me? And at the end of the day, at the end of our conversation, if you don't like it, you can say, "I'm not interested." Is that okay with you if I can ask some question related to this conversation?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. You can ask me questions.
Okay. So, Amit, you are the only person making money in your family?
No, my wife also works. She's also an independent
Oh,
woman. She's
sir.
like,
Oh, sir. Congratulations, you got a working wife. Yeah, sir. So, really, sir, good. So, you have at least two income, yeah?
yeah, yeah, you can say that. Yes.
Then I'm sure you must be also facing a challenge about how to manage your money because two incomes are coming. And do you understand that managing your money is more important than making money nowadays?
Yes, you're right. You're right. Managing money is a tedious task.
Hmm. Exactly. That's why I'm calling you. So, Sunny told me that you are exploring some of the secure way to protect your family and your wife on a proper way where you can get money back also and you can have a lifelong risk cover with a very cost effective way. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah, 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 yes.
Hmm. Okay. So how much cover you are normally expecting, and what kind of lifestyle you have today's scenario? How much monthly expense you have on 1 lakh, 2 lakh?
So right now, our monthly expenses would be in the range of 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Lots of stuff.
Oh, really?
And I'm looking at a cover. I'm not sure. I mean, what kind of cover? I think you are the right guy to tell me what kind of cover should one person, who has my kind of a lifestyle have.
Mm-hmm. So have you figured out what kind of cover you'd be requiring to protect your family, or
No,
you need my advice, my services?
no, 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 I have not figured out. You are the right guy. You should let me know.
Yeah, thank you very much for that. So I want to ask you that do you have any goal in your mind to retirement also kind of stuff? You want to cover this retirement or planning on the insurance cover?
No, retirement would be a different thing. I purely want to cover my life, so that if I'm not there, then my family doesn't go for a toss.
Yeah, I can understand. So your family is not on the street and looking for something. Yes, in your case, your wife is working. But still, why not? If you have the opportunity, you should protect your family and secure your family. Yeah.
Yes, why not? Yes.
Mhm. So you're purely looking only risk cover, or you also want to have a lifelong saving also along with the risk cover?
No, purely, risk cover. That's it.
Okay. So if I can suggest you something where you can have a cover of 10, because as per your income, just you are asking say 5 lakh your expense right now, and after 5-10 years it will increase, and the kind of lifestyle you have, the kind of income you have, I think approximately you should have at least 10 crores sum assured for the risk cover. What do you think, sir?
Yeah, I think yes.
Yeah.
I think
So if I can tell you the best way where you can protect your family and you can get the uh, particular payment plan, which is nice plan, and you can get the best option. So is it really important for you to go for it right now, or it's something you are just exploring and you are like, what is the situation right now? Is it really important for you?
it is important, but I am at the same time I am exploring also.
Hmm. You are just exploring right now and you are not keen for that. Yeah.
Yeah, not keen. Yes, you can say that I'm not keen, but yes, I am exploring.
Hmm. So I don't understand a person like you, such intelligent guy, you understand the value of financial planning, value of insurance cover and all. Why you are delaying in something? Are you waiting something to happen wrong, then you want to take it? Because we Indian have that philosophy. Please don't mind it. I'm not talking here it's straightforward over here.
No, I don't know. It's just like that. I thought, let's me, just explore what is happening in the world.
Yeah. And now the scenario you can see the corona is going on. A lot of people are losing their life, a lot of people are losing their family. So in fact, this is the best time to, and the companies are reducing their premium also up to 40%. And that is something you're not interested right now, are you?
No, I am interested, but just as I said that, I'm exploring.
Hmm. Okay. So what it will take for you and me to do business today, if I can tell you the best option? What is the best deal for you? If I can give you some best premium plan available in the industry, so what do you like to say me?
No, give me the best. We can do the business together.
I'm sorry, what, sir?
Give me the best deal. We can definitely close this business.
Okay. Then you are willing to go for that today?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi. So if you like the ideology, if you like the content, and if you think that is something which you saw in this video is really valuable, then you do one thing. You can explore how my system and methodology can help you to grow your sales, grow your business, grow your revenue. For that, you do one thing. You don't trust on me. You trust on yourself. Do your research. What I suggest to you, I'm offering a free sales growth discovery session, which you can do by clicking on the link. And once you click on it, you will land a page and you can schedule it for free. And on that session, I will tell you basics, nuts and bolts. What is the challenge? What you need to overcome? What is the problem? And how you can fix it. Within 30 days, you will see the difference in your mindset and your revenue and growth. And I will also give you my book called Sales Ka Sikandar for free. That's my gift to you, because I believe giving and sharing is all equal to receiving. Once I give, I receive it. So thank you very much for watching me, and I will highly encourage you to schedule a session with me, and then you see how your business and sales can grow. Thank you very much. You can subscribe this channel and you can give me a comment also. Thank you very much.